Alright guys, I'm back to Bali again. Currently I'm saying very often that, but Sayang is with me today. We are strolling around Seminyak.
Street is famous for the shopping paradise. Shopping, Mecca for those who love shopping like me. Behind me you see the beautiful dresses already here. We are in the area of the Seminyak Square Center. So yeah, we will stroll around to show you how it is Seminyak.
Meanwhile, some bars are open even around. Today's video will be very regular stroll around. Look at this guy with his golden retriever. Welcome to Bali, by the way. This is very Bali view. Anyway, we're gonna stroll a little bit around today in Seminyak. Let's see how's the life is going. And let's see, maybe something interesting gonna happen on the way. Currently it's 5:30 p.m. Seems, I don't know, seems pretty sleepy to me, little bit today. Also, it's the beginning of the rain season. It was raining a year before. As you can see, the street is still a little bit wet. So
if you keep asking us, like last time, how is the weather today in Bali? It's hot, humid, but it's raining. So it means that whenever you walk, you feel like, you're sweating a lot.
there's one very nice looking Greek restaurant behind us, and behind us overall situation on the streets not so busy like for this time. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not sure that's because of the weather or the time of the year or high prices for the tickets maybe.
Well, I can see that almost 90% the business in Jalan Kayuaya Seminyak is opening, like shops open, massage shop opens, everything open. Restaurants also open, boutiques, everything is open. But it seems like, we just walk here, it's about half hour. I can see that the number of tourists are not busy, just like if we compare with Ubud situation. So yeah, and also the traffic. Like this is when it's just like 5:30 p.m. seems like the rush hours, the busy time, but seems like not much happening.
As Winnie said, most of the places are actually open. This restaurant and this restaurant over here, but overall it's pretty quiet. I'm gonna tell you. Also, so many reconstruction currently, like this place over here. And somebody last time asked me also about the Ginger Moon. Ginger Moon is open and well, keeping alright, I guess. Yeah, this is for you guys. Some of the restaurants, Italian job at this time. Also, I remember when we were here with Winnie, when there was so many promotions during the pandemic times, actually was definitely much busier than it's today. That's loud bikes. But yeah, there are some people, of course, strolling time to time. But overall, not that busy. Yo, what's up? Salazon used to be a very nice restaurant for fine dining, and also this is the currency exchange for everyone who are interested. Currently, Singaporean dollar is stronger than Australian and euro is weaker than USD. Unbelievable. Also, many people ask about the Ultimo. Ultimo changed the location and they are here actually quite many here people today in Ultimo. It was the ex-Char, if I'm not mistaken. Also, Ahmadiyya Villa Resort, something like that is open. There's also some spa business performing pretty well, at least in this spa shop. Here we go. And eventually we arrived to the area of Goat, and this is the newest bar, sports bar in Seminyak, area of La Favela. Also there is the Berlin kebab who have a style like a Hooters, like literally the style like a Hooters, just saying, because of the girls, how they dressing there, the waiters I mean. And here we have one of the seafood restaurant and the La Favela itself. So if you wanna have a seafood over here, hello. And then we have a La Favela. Maybe we're gonna get inside today. And then we have a famous red carpet champagne bar open, and there are some people inside actually. This is like the most busiest corner in general in full entire Seminyak. So yeah, we're gonna go to La Favela.
Yeah, I think that because they have a free entry at 7 p.m., starting 7 p.m. So yeah, let's stroll around first and later we can go inside.
I don't know if you can see properly. Definitely I cannot say that loud what is the name of the shop, but this is the marketing master, I gonna say. So funny, too funny. Stuff like this can only work in somewhere in Southeast Asia. That's no, in Europe you're not gonna make like this, not possible. In US, Alright guys, so eventually as you can see it's not so busy. I mean there are some people and everything, but it's like not so very busy in general, and the weather is also not so good. It's 5:45, so we will have to wait 1 hour 15 minutes to get to La Favela, so we decide next time we're gonna come compare with different also place, maybe La Favela and Motel Mexicola, to make it like a nightlife in Seminyak next time. But meanwhile, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow as always.